What's up guys? Welcome to Reviews by Ronan. So ako lang ba yung nagulat dito na Nestle just produced this 2 kilogram Nestle Bear Brand fortified powdered milk drink? O kayo rin? Kasi ako nagulat ako at nagulat kami ng wife ko kasi this is just the first time that we saw this big powdered milk drink. So sobrang dami ng maiinom to. I don't know. We will try and make a new video if around how many glasses or how many days namin to maiinom if we will drink it every night. So we will just try our best, pero this is really big. So this is very unusual for me kasi sanay tayo sa mga 1 kilogram na Nestle, powdered milk drink. And guess what? We just got it for just 765 pesos. But if you check it now, if you click the yellow basket and check it now, you can just get it for 715 pesos because they are on sale. So what are you waiting for? Order now.